Jai Sriman. After that, they all came back and started living in ashramam, having Sitamma and Lakshmana Swami along with him, Ramachandra Swami, looking like as and how Shankara is accompanied with Parvati Devi and Nandiswara, Girirajaputriya, Rudraha, Sannandi, Bhagavanivesaha. As and how Parameswara, Shankara is glowing with Nandiswara and Parvati Devi, so also Ramachandra Swami glowing with Sitamma and Lakshmana Swami. Sita Rama Lakshmana, three of them had their shower in Godavari river and did their Sandhya Vandanam, then came back to ashramam. After that, Krutva Paurvahnikam Karma, Rama and Lakshmana have done their Brahma Yajnam. Then they all went inside Parnasalam Vupagamat. They went inside their Parnasala. Sita Rama Lakshmana along with Maharshis living happily in that ashramam. Every day Chakara Vividhaha Kathaha. They are all having a nice discussion and they are sharing the great stories from our Puranas, our Itihasas. Like that, Ramachandra Swami also getting to listen from all the Maharshis, Ramasya Katha Samsakta Chetasaha. With a good amount of Shraddha, Rama is listening to all the Maharshis. While they are spending like that in that ashramam, one of those days, one fine morning, tam desam rakshasi kachit ajagama yadruchaya. One Rakshasi came to that place. Her name is Satu Surpanakha Nama. Her name is Surpanakha. Desagrivasya Rakshasaha Bhagini. Ravana's sister. Ramam Asadya. She came to Rama. She is looking at Rama. How is Rama looking there? Simhoraskam, he is sitting over there. He is looking like a lion. Such a wonderful broad chest Rama has. Mahabahum, long shoulders Rama has. Padmapatra Nibhekshanam, such a beautiful glowing face Rama has. Ativa Priyadarshanam. If we just look at Rama, we cannot take off our eyes. That is how he captivates everyone's eyes. That is how he is looking. Gaja Vikranta Gamanam. Surpanakha is looking at Rama. Rama is so nicely sitting over there, and he has such a great gambhiryam like elephant, and he also has a very, very dignified walking posture, walking style. That is what is Rama. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. రామ రామ దశరథ రామ 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 దశరథ రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే రాజా రామ హే హే సీతారామ హే హే సీతారామ. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.